Welcome back. Today we are going to be making a Sunburst custom. And this one is a collab with Gemstone the Hybrid. Check out her channel, link in the description. So first we're going to start with cutting off all of Rarity's hair. Okay, we just got to get all that extra hair out from inside the head. What I want to know is why did they never make a actual, like, a toy version of Sunburst? That's what I want to know. I mean, yes, he was only around for like 11 episodes, I think, which again, why? Because Sunburst is like one of the best characters. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. We're going to be using some Sculpey air dry clay to make it like a little bit, he is taller than all the other ponies, so we're trying to mimic that since I would rather use this than a male pony mold because even that just doesn't look right. And that's what I chose to use. So we gotta make them some little boots. Little boots like those Equestria Girl movies where they're always wearing those stupid tall boots. Like those things gotta weigh like 2 pounds each. Why? Anyway. I think the reason we never got a toy for him is because he was made too late in the show's production. I think he only showed up in like season 7? Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to say 7, maybe 5. So we never got one of him, which is sad. But in my opinion, the customs I've seen people make actually look better than I think Hasbro could have made. Just because it has the creativity that a lot of people have that, no offense, some of the executives at Hasbro don't have. And also, they have the cutie mark on both sides. Hasbro, you did it in G1. Come on. Not that hard. You do the eyes on both sides. Why can't you do the cutie mark? I digress. Let me know who else you want me to do in the comments below. I did do a Luster Dawn, which is thought to be him and Sunburst and Starlight's daughter. Link to that in the description too. Maybe I'll make a Starlight Glimmer next with like molded hair, show accurate hair, because I know they did make a brushable, but she's like $50 for a nice one. We're just smoothing that clay into the pony with water. Don't go too crazy with the water because it'll dilute it, but it works really good. I had to mix some colors to make this nice bright orange, and even this, I think I ended up making it a little bit darker, or maybe the paint just dried darker. I am happy I did a white pony, because besides the cutie mark and that little scan code from the game, anybody remember that game? I had that. Other than that, it was pretty easy to just paint over with like 3 coats. Now we're doing the little boots. So, is the white part supposed to be like a birthmark? Or, because I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think there are any other ponies that have like markings on them. Like direct ponies. Like I know there are like the zebras and stuff like that have them. And I know like Big Mac has hooves with like fur over top like a G5, but I've never seen any other one with like markings like that. I don't know. Let me know if there are other ones that I'm just not pointing out. And let me know what you want to see in the comments. Open to ideas. Now we're going to do the eyes. I did make the eyes a little more round, just because that's how the character looks in the show. I did trace them. Well, not like fully, but I traced the shape. Very happy I did that. I usually wing it for the cutie mark. But eyes, I do kind of like to trace. I don't know. I go back and forth between like to trace them and like to just go over the original pattern. Obviously, that was not an option for this one, because we can't use Rarity's eye shape. You may ever notice Rarity is the only pony in the show with that eye shape. Think about that. Why? How is that possible? There are literally like hundreds of thousands of ponies in that show. How is she the only one? I don't know. Let me know if you want to see a video where I just like ramble about random pony stuff. could even do like a pony genetics video. Did you ever see those? One channel, I'm blanking on the name, has like a pony genetics series. I could do videos like that, like our Sunburst and Sunset Shimmer related. Probably pretty easy to figure out with this. Let me know if you want to see that. That could be like just its own thing that we do. And if you guys would like to see a completely clay Discord figure and a G1 Pony Smooze, remember the Smooze? Yeah. If you want to see those two things, we gotta get to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe. Please. I post every Saturday with new custom videos. Thank you. I made the little glasses out of a paper clip. You do need to hold them on there for a minute, but just be careful because super glue, very sticky. As the panic sets in that I realize my finger is stuck to the glasses. I try and rip it off. Yeah, don't do that. I mean, you gotta hold it on there, but just be careful with the glue. Be careful with the glue, kids. I did make the little cape, too. Just used some blue felt, cut it out, and went over it with the teal paint, same color as his eyes. Next, we're gonna do the cutie mark. I'm really happy I looked up the cutie mark before I painted this. I thought there were only 3 little sunbeam ray things on the side, but there are 4. Good job for looking it up past me. Again, I think the cutie mark turned out really good. I also had new paintbrushes for this. We have been investing in some better quality materials for you guys to get some better quality customs. If you like my customs or just want to support the channel, I also have an eBay store. If you just want to check it out, I sell My Little Ponies mostly, Monster High Dolls some. Check it out. If there's something you like, well, thank you. And then I made the little beard out of clay. I had to super glue that on. That didn't really want to stick by itself, obviously. The beard. I'm pretty sure he is the only pony with facial hair. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm fairly certain. I don't know, it just adds to the character. It's cute. I did decide to make all of the hair out of clay because I could have rerooted it, but then styling it would have been kind of a pain to do. Mostly that, like, mohawk thing that he's got going back there. So I just did it all in clay. As we bring out Luster Dawn, our previous custom mentioned, I tried to make the little wispy thing kind of look like that. Obviously not exactly like it, but do you see the similarities? Like, how could they not be related? Look at the similarities. I just used the scissors because that's the closest thing I had next to me to make the little nicks in the hair. I did need to end up super gluing all this on. It doesn't just stick by magic, although that would be cool. Make the little tail. I didn't realize until after I was done that the tail was supposed to be sticking out of the cape, so that's why it's kind of flush. But oh well. And I did paint it off camera. I just forgot to turn the camera on for that, honestly. And this is how it turned out with his little cape. It looks so cute. Check out the other video on Gemstone the Hybrids channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.